Hello guys, my name is Vanpar and you are watching my channel Vivan Mind Music Arts and Technology. So in this short we are going to quickly say that how we can fix the time difference between any Linux distro dual booted with Windows. Okay, so when you dual boot your Linux distro with Windows, you see that there is another time in Windows and there is another time in your Linux distro. For me, the distro is Ubuntu, so I am going to say Ubuntu, and both the operating system are not showing the correct time. So in this video we are going to fix that error. First of all, you need to boot in your Linux distro and open the terminal and going to paste this command. This command will be provided in description. Okay, after pasting this command, go to settings, then go to time, date and time, then automatic date and time, just disable this, then again enable this and choose your date time format. After doing this, you can boot it into your Windows system. Once you are booted into Windows, just type cmd in start menu and right click and run it as an administrator. Now here we need to write a command. For 32-bit Windows you need to write this command. All the commands are in description, and for 64-bit Windows you need to write this command. How you can know that which Windows are you using? You just need to go on this PC and properties. Here you can see system type 64-bit operating system. Okay, so I am using 64-bit operating system. I am going to copy this command and going to paste it here. Just press enter. The operation completed successfully. Okay, so now right click on adjust date and time, then disable this option and again enable this option. Then when after enabling this option the time is correct, again disable this, and we no need to enable this option. You can go and choose your date formats, on which format you need to want your date, with AM, PM or without. So that's it for today's video. For more such amazing content, do subscribe, like and share.